Non-discrimination. Section 2. Non-discrimination. Article 12. Except for the provisions fully expressing under this law, or in any other legislative text or regulation protecting women and children, as well as provisions relating to the entry and stay of foreigners, no employer shall consider on account of race, color, sex, creed, religion, political opinion, birth, social origin, membership of workers' union or the exercise of union activities, to be invoked in order to make a decision on hiring, defining and assigning of work, vocational training, advancement, promotion, remuneration, granting of social benefits, discipline or termination of employment contract. Distinctions, rejections, or acceptances based on qualifications required for a specific job shall not be considered as discrimination.